Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to find your password in your LinkedIn account. So let's say you forgot your password in the LinkedIn account. So the best option that you can do for me is just by forgetting the password and then just getting that verification, from that verification link from your email, and then just change your password from there. But let's say you can't access your email, so there's another way that you can find your password is by going to your Google account. So the website will be myaccount.google.com. Then once you're there, go to security and then just go to password manager. Then from there, click on manage passwords and then just search up for your LinkedIn account password. So just type in LinkedIn, and then you will see a LinkedIn, like site there, and then just click on it and then you will see your password. But for me, I didn't save my LinkedIn account or password in my password manager for Google. So yeah, so again, just search up for LinkedIn and then you will find it there. Just click on it and then you will see your password from there. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to find your LinkedIn password. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.